Oh, what's going on, my dudes? It is Mr. Crayfish, and welcome back to some more Minecraft mod development. Today we are working on the vehicle mod and adding in a brand new vehicle. You might be thinking, you know, Cray, you just added a vehicle 2 days ago. Well, I'm adding in a brand new one. I'm adding in a brand new one because I can. And as well, today we're actually going to be checking out some device mod applications. So at the end of the live stream, we're going to be checking out 2 applications which have been developed by 2 other people, not myself. And they're pretty awesome, and hopefully they'll release them because I would love to certify them. I would love to certify them as applications. So that would be cool. But anyway, this vehicle today, have you guys got any guesses on what it would be? Have you guys got any guesses of what it would be? Like, we've got a list of vehicles that we want to do, but I got one in mind that I really want to do. I got one in mind that I really want to do. Hey, I won't be able to stay for long because I have school. That's alright, dude. It's alright, dude. What's up, Austin Kelly? Who else we got here? Thinklad Minions, Shuck and Saturday, Ocelot, Master Chief, Bloxy Way, Redstone Master. How's everybody doing? I got my cup of Java. So yeah, as you guys know, I didn't live stream yesterday. And that's because my sleeping schedule is pretty bad at the moment. It's pretty bad at the moment. Like right now, I'm super duper tired. I got my cup of Java. I should probably drink that. Oh, alright, that's pretty good. Got that, but yeah, my sleeping schedule is pretty bad. Like going to bed at 3 AM. Yeah, don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Don't get into the habit. I tell you right now, going to bed at 3 AM is literally the worst. It's literally the worst. What was I gonna say? Yeah, that's why I didn't live stream yesterday, because I kind of slept through my actual live stream times. So I was like, kind of want to do it. Plus, as well, like, I don't know, yesterday was just, yesterday was, like, pretty bad for me. Pretty bad for me. I just didn't, like, yesterday I just didn't feel right. Like, yesterday I didn't feel right that I literally did nothing. I literally did nothing yesterday, guys. I'll admit, I literally did nothing yesterday. Alrighty though. Let's go ahead, let's just close off everything. Let's start fresh. Start fresh, you know? You want to be able to start fresh? A Sir Pickles car? Nah, that's not what we're doing. Have you guys got any other guesses? Motorcycle? Nope. Go-kart? Nope. Cheese cycle? Nope. Nope. None of you guys got it correct. None of you guys got it correct. What am I looking at? Vehicle mod. Alright, so I was just making sure there wasn't any changes before we started here, because there always is. Let's make everything smaller again and start from scratch. Alrighty, let's bring up the bottom so we can, yeah, get the proper layout here for the live stream. There we go. Cool. Do a dirt bike in your mod. I do want to add in a dirt bike eventually, but that is not going to be today. Lamborghini, no. Jacoby. We've already added in a Lamborghini. If you guys haven't seen already. Oh yeah, we want to update to the latest obfuscate as well. But the thing is, I haven't published it yet, so I think we'll just have to ignore it for now. Because if you weren't here for the last live stream, guys, basically I fixed up some bugs. And it should be working a lot better now. I am eating cereal. I can't be on tonight. That's alright, dude. What? That doesn't even make sense. Can you review the bathroom section? I know you're talking to somebody else. Who we got here? You up for a collaboration in the future? Who's this? Almost addicted. Who's this? I've never heard of you. Okay. Okay. Yo, get in contact with me, dude, afterwards, like Twitter or something. See what. I mean, I'll take a look at your videos afterwards, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, back to this. Yeah, just chuck me a follow or something and I'll follow you back, and then... Too easy. What is the vehicle? I'm not revealing it yet. What we might do is just quickly take a look at what we have created so far, just so you guys know where we are up to. Maybe you haven't been following anything at all. What up, Adapt Draft Dude Gamer? What up, dude? How's it going? I'm watching while I eat. Good. Where's Master Chief? He was here. He's gonna make an RV? Nah, it's not an RV. It ain't an RV. Do I look tired to you guys? Do I look tired? Do you guys think I'm tired? Cause like my eyes feel tired. I'm like, oh, I was gonna sleep here. You guys don't know what vehicle I'm adding in. I sleep. Someone's stealing my other food. I sleep. Someone's stealing my cheese and crackers. Real shiz! Whoa, okay, here we are. Here we are, lads. Don't know why everything's laggy. Everything's really laggy for some reason. What am I doing? What am I capping? 60 F. Oh, it's smooth now. Here it is, the Lamborghini that we've already added in. This is the Lamborghini, dudes. Let's also grab out Summon, ATV. I had an idea for the crafting system, dudes, and it's going to be a pretty easy crafting system. Oh yeah. So beast. I gotta fix up the shading on the quad, because the quad doesn't actually have shade on it. And that was actually fixed by changing around some certain classes. I thought that was a little bit too high. So it's in render. So I'm pretty sure it was... What did I do? Oh, it's because I disabled it. So I'm pretty sure... The thing is, because we're basically rendering items here. So we need to render the lighting. I'm pretty sure we have to disable it. Hey, there we go. That actually has some shading to it. It actually looks half decent now. We're just gonna make sure there's no issues with I'm pretty sure there's an issue with the player. Oh no, there's not. I thought it was. Just making sure we're all good here. Yeah, it looks like shading's good. Shading is good. Hey Cray, I'm eating cheese and crackers. Dad, where's mine? So I got to go, Cray, data running out. That's alright, Jacoby. Thanks for coming along, dude. I'm not adding a jet ski today. Good guess, though. Good guess. I got warned on your Discord server under discussion for saying hi guys. It's because the discussion, you have to look at what category you're in. The discussion there is about the device API. If you're wanting to talk to anybody randomly, like this here is about anything related to the device API. If you want to talk and do whatever you want, go into general and off topic. Like so, like something could be like for device API, you might be like, see like, yeah, someone's already corrected, it's device API. You gotta look at that, that's the kind of thing. Because like, a lot of people post off topic in there. And if you want more help, if you want more help on what category, look at the description up here. Talk anything about the device API. Oopsie. That's my English is a little bit off there, but talk about anything. Talk anything about. I don't know what the. Talk about anything about. How would you write that? Talk about anything device API related here. But yeah, just look at the description, it'll tell you what the actual category is. Herobrine stole your cheese and crackers? No! Can you get it back, please? Can you get it back, please? Could the Almighty Crab bless me? I'm going through surgery tomorrow for the millionth time, and I might need to get my colon removed. Oh, jeez. What is that? Really? Who's calling me? Alright. In 2 seconds.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And 'cause I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again.
Oh, hey, sorry about that. I had to take that call real quickly. But we're good now. Hey, can we get some praise for Alex right now? Can we get some praise for Alex? He's getting his... I don't know. It sounds super bad. It sounds super bad. So can we get some literal praise in the chat right now? Praise. Because I would not want surgery. I don't think anybody deserves surgery. Like, nobody deserves health problems. Nobody deserves health problems. So going to surgery does not sound like fun. So get some praise. He could die. I highly doubt, but you know, next live stream, where's Alex? No, I'm joking, dude. Everything's gonna go good, and I hope the surgery turns out successful, and I hope you're healthy at the end, dude. And hopefully, whatever it's, you know, why they're doing the surgery, you know, resolves the problem. I'm not gonna ask details. Hey Cray, what? Why would you say you're awesome yourself? I've never heard someone say that I am awesome. Oh my god. I have MC source code, thanks for nothing. I will find some exploits. Cool. It took you that long. It took you that long. I fractured my left finger on a tank. What? Nice Lambo, Cray, thanks. Alrighty, so let's go on to this new vehicle right now because we've done 20 minutes of nothing. We've done 20 minutes of nothing. Alrighty, so should I just start creating the model, then you guys will guess what it is? Or should I potentially make a hint onto what it is actually going to be, because what I can do is disable it depending if a mod has loaded or not. I don't know how to check if a forge check if mod running. Hold up. What's the code for it? How do I check if another mod is installed? Oh, it's loader. Okay, interesting. Is mod loaded? What do you think it's gonna be, guys? What do you think it's gonna be? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, oh. Yeah, there we go. Alright, probably gave it away now. We're gonna be creating the couch vehicle. Because y'all lazy and you wanted to sit on a couch and drive to the store. Well, you can now, using this brand new couch. So I think I'm gonna only enable this. I'm only gonna enable it, right? It's gonna be an exclusive. It's only gonna be enabled if you actually have the furniture mod installed. Because what we can actually do, right? What we can do is loader. Let's have a look. Let's see if I can do this actually. Let's have a look. Item dot item. Alright, so get object. It's items dot get item by name or ID. Okay. Alright, so we can do something like CFM couch now. We don't even have to access the thing. We might have to have the mod installed. Just so we will have to test it out. But we'll have to have the mod installed so we can actually get the actual the assets for it, because we don't have those. So it's a vehicle mod, furniture mod, collab. There's a collab right now, dudes. I'm gonna talk to the mod developer of the Mr. Crayfish furniture mod and see if he's alright with you know, me putting it into the vehicle mod. Do you reckon he would be alright with it? Two developers. Like, this is a collab right now between Mr. Crayfish and Mr. Crayfish, so it's pretty interesting. It's Monday, my dudes. It's Tuesday! For me it is. Can I eat a mod source code? You do realize I have a GitHub. Flips. Sorry. Go look at my source code. Go look at the bugs. Go find the exploits. I don't care. I'll be happy if somebody finds exploits in my furniture mod, because then it means I get fixed up with some bugs. I think he'd sue you for obstruction of modding. Man sues himself over illegal use of his own mod. That'd be funny. It's like somehow I just get like rejected. Like, nah, dude, you can't add this into the vehicle mod, alright? Imagine we break up the collab. We break up the collab like, nah, the deal's over. Deal's over, dude. Interesting, I thought Mr. Crayfish and Mr. Crayfish would collab. Ah, it's rare. It's rare. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's get his mod. I'm getting his mod right now. Look at this. I'm just putting it in here. He doesn't even know. Alrighty, time to do some stuff. So we can actually we might have an issue here where is it like soft depends? I don't know, what is it? It's here like... Because if I'm going to do it, I need to make sure it's always registering after it, but like I need to ignore it if it's not a thing. So... what is this again? I need... What's this syntax here? This is like Maven... Shoot. Required after Maven. What's the formatting code? What is the form? What is the RNA version range? Here we go. What is this called? No. What's this versioning called? I'm eating cheese and crackers. Hey, that's what's up. That is what up. I like that. What is that format called? I saw it somewhere and I was like, I need to know it. You love me? Oh no, here we go. So we go back to here. I'm pretty sure it's that after CFM at so this is like a soft depends. So after what version of the mod should we assume? So it won't matter what version we use, but let's go to my actual furniture mod and see what the latest 1.12 version was. I'm sad. I'm so sad because my tooth is hurting on the night before the star test. What's star? Alex, I need to call you out for something real quickly. Where's my crash report in my GitHub? In your GitHub issue? Where's my crash report? Because you're telling me there's a bug, but I don't know what the bug is because I don't have a crash report. And you said it crashed. Or there's some sort of output. So the latest 1.12 version was 4. I'm gonna go to my website. My website has everything. My website has everything. .12. Oh, it was like 1.4.1.5. Alright, we'll just assume that. Alright. Alright, so this shouldn't be null, basically. We'll say is item null or not. So I can see it. We should probably do something like that, and then we'll be able to notice it a bit better. Hey, Cray, Cheese and Cracker Squad. Squad up! Oh my god, I totally forgot about that. Thanks for reminding me. Did I not tell you the line number of the crash with the exception, because you'd have to wait till I replicate it? I'm pretty sure you told me nothing. You're just like, it crashes when I press this button, and that's it. I mean, you told me like yeah. Like, cause like I know you like there's a problem, message forwarding response. I have to look into it. Why? Like, it shouldn't do that. That's the thing. It should be impossible to get that response unless you've actually made that request on your locally. Let's have a look. Is the item null or not? It is null. Maybe it's not called couch. Might not be called couch. Let's go. Let's figure out what the item's called. Totally not making a meme about you. I'd love to see it. If you guys got memes, send them through. Send them through. So it is called... it is called couch. It's called couch. I'm gonna open up my door because like it's getting super duper hot in here. It did nothing. It did nothing. What is this? What is this? It's so hot in here. I'm like sweating. Like legit. No, it's not really, but... Not really, but... Is mod loaded? Ah! Alright, let's have a look at this. Because we can assume that the, you know, the mod does have the item. Let's go pre-initialize. Oh no, sorry, just initialize, because at this point, it should be like... What's going on here? Obviously. No param name. I need a line to break on. I snapped that like button to 30 pieces, world record. That probably is, to be honest. And if you guys haven't already, snap that like button. Like, who is this? Dark Glade did. Snap it right in half if you're enjoying this live stream. And if you want to get a shout out as well, go over to my Twitter, link in the description below. And retweet my latest tweet. I'd appreciate it quite a bit if you go ahead and do that. Alright, what's going on? Here we go. Okay, so yeah, it found it. Cool, 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 cool. It found it. So we can assume that if it's loaded, you know, if it's loaded, because we know the couch is in this version of it, and it won't register unless it is like that version. All right. So we don't even have to create, we don't even have to go on my model creator. We don't even have to go on my model creator, guys. So we're gonna do this. What should we call this? What should we call this? The couch? What should we call it? I really want to make like a 2-person one. I think that'd be sick. Should we make like a, I don't know, June couch? The lazy chair. I don't know what we should call it. Just couch. Couch again. My mum won't let me sponsor. Dang it! Dang mum! Dang mum not letting me sponsor Crayfish. What are we gonna call it? The lazy chair. Do we just call it couch again? Oh my god. Some of you guys taking that mum joke a little bit too seriously. And there goes the message. There goes the message. What do we call it? Did you catch the Easter Bunny? Yeah, I did. I caught him. I trapped him. Actually, we haven't actually checked that out yet in the world, to be honest. We'll take a look at it next time. We'll take a look at it next time, Mr. Shellfish. Next video, we're going to check it out and see if we captured him. The crazy couch. Couch. Winky face. I think we'll just call it couch. To be honest. To be honest, just call it couch. I want to do like a new package with like vehicles in it. And like have all of them in there. Entity couch. Extends. We could do entity colored vehicle this time. Because we can make it support all the color types, which is pretty awesome. Dang it! We still didn't resolve the issue of removing all the ATV code out. Just have a look here. Have a look here. This needs to be like a... Is it possible to do like body.set? Is that right? Set item damage. Is that right? It has to be the one. Like, can we just do that? That's my question. Can we just do that? Make a young Greg robot to ride? Oh my lord. Rideable couch. Should we call it a rideable couch instead? That's not a bad idea actually. Oh my god, Alex. I'm a New Zealand person. What's up? I'm Australian. Drivable shopping cart? That will be a thing in the future, don't you guys worry. There will be a drivable shopping cart. I promise you right now. You will see the tail. You will see... What's the word? Hold on. You will see the day, you know, you'll be alive the day you see the drivable shopping cart. You'll be able to tell the tale. Back in my day, we had a drivable shopping cart. Thanks to Mr. Crayfish. With car seats in front. Yeah, we could probably add a seat into it. That's not a bad idea. We should develop like a seat model that we could just utilize without... Yeah. Alright. No, that feels right. Cray, are you seriously Australian? Yes. Nah, I'm American. I'm American. My bad. Sorry. I lied. I'm from the Pacific Ocean. I'm a crayfish. You're hiding from your brother? Update me. Update me on this hide and seek. Update me from this hide and seek. It's sad we only got 20 people watching. Yeah, I know. But I've said this many times. I don't care. I enjoy doing these live streams. We have quite regular viewers, which is good. We have sponsors. If you guys see sponsors, they're the regulars. And I mean, there's some people that aren't sponsors and regulars, such as Austin Kelly here. See you all the time, dude. I see you all the time. It's because, like, development's like really interesting. Like, it's interesting, but only to specific people. Like, very, very specific. There's no, like, the target audience here is, like, nobody. Pretty much. The target audience is, like, nobody. You deserve more though? Yeah, I know, but, you know, what do you do? And there's probably people that watch my streams a lot. Let me know if you're one of those people that watch my streams every single day. Every single time. I try. I try. I sleep. I try. I got school, so I miss a couple of your videos. That's alright. Hey Crayfish, how did you start making mods? Basically I just found tutorials. Like, if you guys want to start out programming as well, like, starting off with like modding Minecraft is an alright way to do it. Like, the thing, like, how I started programming, believe it or not guys, is I literally created a Minecraft mod. I've never programmed before in my entire life. I didn't even know about programming before I started. That's how insane it is. Like, literally, I saw a video on YouTube about Minecraft modding. I didn't know anything about programming at all. I didn't even know like the word programming. Like, I probably did, but like I've never used it in my entire life before. Like, I always just thought like it was like left up to professionals, and then like this person created a tutorial on how to mod Minecraft, and that day I think I programmed a mod, like a really basic mod, but I got pictures. I got pictures to prove PUBG is the new Fortnite, pretty much. But yeah, if you guys want to learn how to create Minecraft mods, look up tutorials. It's probably better to have like a little bit of a experience with programming before you even start trying to, yeah. Fortnite is like a ripoff of PUBG, and PUBG is a ripoff of Fortnite. Yeah, like it's funny, like PUBG now is like ripping off Fortnite. They added a new map called Codename Savage, and like it's a tropical map exactly like Fortnite. So they knew what they were doing. I'm sticking to my statement. PUBG made it popular. Fortnite did it right. Fortnite did it right. PUBG made it popular. Fortnite did it right. And then H1Z1. Get out of here. No one cared about it. No one cared about H1Z1. It was just there. H1Z1 was just there. It didn't do anything. Hunger Games though. Hunger Games though. That's the real shiz. That's where the OG stuff began. Yeah, like that's basically, let's see. It's basically, you know, PUBG, Fortnite, H1Z1. Let's see who's under the mask. Oh, it's survival games. It's survival games. Hunger Games, sorry. It's Hunger Games. Let's see who's under the mask. Oh, it's Hunger Games. That's pretty much what all these game modes are. It's basically just what we've known already, Hunger Games and that type of stuff. But it's just ever so slightly different, because previously it's like Hunger Games is like starting off in the center of the map with everybody, whereas like, you know, Fortnite and PUBG, you drop anywhere you want type thing. The Crayfish Pixel games? No. How do you install your world with the bank, shop, blacksmith, and the military base? It's not actually available for release. I don't think... I've said this many times. I'm not going to answer it like completely and full again, but like I don't think I'm going to release it. I'm only going to release like the mansion. I don't want to release my whole entire map because, I don't know, I just feel like it's my map. But like there are actually fan creations out there, so I think if you search like Planet Minecraft or something like that, I'm pretty sure some people have actually built the whole entire map just from watching my videos. They've been able to, you know, create it, which is pretty insane to be honest. Pretty insane to be honest. Alrighty, so we need to go here, get moving sound. Alright, let's just do mod sounds. Same sound. I need to get a new sound for vehicles, to be honest. Get mounted Y offset. I don't know, 0.5 or whatever. Whatevs. Why did you start YouTubing? Because I thought it'd be cool. I really don't know why. I thought it would be cool. I really need to create a way to initialize like the items. So this is where we do some sneaky stuff. We say items.get, oopsies, item.get item by name, and we say CFM couch 1. And then what color by default? Maybe just the white. Uh-oh. 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 Let's just assume it's fine. Alright. We all good. We all good. Alright, now we can actually change this around. The entity couch. Entity couch. Alright. And we need to increment the ID. Let's do that before stuff goes weird. What day will you build the bridge? I'll do it soon. Maybe I'll do like a live stream of it. That'd be interesting. Would you guys want to see like a building live stream of like extending my town? That'd be a cool live stream, to be honest. Extending the town live stream. Yes. Bridge. Yeah, if you actually continue following the road in my town, you'll notice that it ends off at a river and then continues over the other side. It's because I haven't built a bridge. I finished my 1.12 version of my Deco mod. What do you think? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Is it like on Curse Forge or something? Have you got screenshots? Any live streams coming soon for PUBG updating? I might do one soon because we need to implement, I don't know. We need to implement, like randomized chests, and I've got an idea of how we're gonna do it. Like the thing is, like our system, I don't want to talk. I won't talk about it now. I'll talk about it when we actually do it. But yeah, I plan to do one soon. Alright, so I registered that. We need to go into the proxy here. And we need to register a renderer. We need to create one first of all. Render couch. Extends render entity couch. So many of these methods. Holy shoot. And it's gonna be public. Alright, so let's go ahead, fix that up. Alright, there we go. And now, if we go to here, what I'm gonna do, we need to, I reckon we need to create like a base render class, because a lot of this stuff, like this stuff here, this kind of additional yaw is to do with drifting. Like this is just to do with drifting, which is a standard thing over every single vehicle. So we've got to like look into that and actually making this something more standard. So like we could do like new Java class render vehicle. We'll do like T extends render T. Whoa. I think it's There we go. Just making sure this is right. We're gonna make it extend entity vehicle, and then we can do like do render, which that should be a T. If we go entity, we should be able to do, yeah, we get access to this. Okay, cool. And we'll make it abstract too, so you can't have just an instance of this. Protect, it's fine for this. We can hide, yeah, we can just keep that method in there because we're never going to use it, and then it means that for this type of stuff we can actually get rid of that, which cleans up our code a lot. So I'm just trying to think what stuff we can chuck into here. What's current URL? Was that actually a good idea to do that? Because a lot of this stuff... Like, there's only a couple of stuff we can put into there. And that would, we could put this into here. This is we'll call this whatever, just keep the same. And then we just need to update half of these. Just to that. And then I think, yeah, get rid of that. Get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. The problem is we use like additional yaw here. So yo, we're here. We good? We good? We good? Are we back? I don't know what happened there. OBS just decided to disconnect. That's the first ever problem. That's the first thing that's ever gone wrong. Welcome to Itchy and Scratchy Land, where nothing could possibly go wrong. Possibly go wrong. That's the first thing that's ever gone wrong. That's the welcome to Itchy and Scratchy Land, where nothing can possibly go wrong. Possibly go wrong. That's the first thing that's ever happened. So yeah, what I was saying before I crashed there was that we could provide this additional yaw by creating our own custom render method, and then when just inside the super we call that instead, and Yeah, it's just... It's kind of awkward. Whatever, we just have set break animation. Lols. Alright. I trust the Dune buggy render more. I trust the Dune buggy render more. Mind you, the ATV, we need the 4 wheels, so it might be good to use this one. Alright, it's gonna be no handlebars. Let's get rid of that. So we should have something that works pretty much straight off the bat here. Believe it or not. So let's go reload the game right here. And let's see if it works. What's going on? Next door neighbor. He's just he's like, I'm watching him live stream. I'm gonna like interrupt. Okay. Hurt my wrist. Imagine spending money to sponsor a streamer just to abuse the slow chat exempt. Oh my god. I will not hesitate to time out. Holy shoot. Get off my live stream sound. Alright. What do you guys think it's gonna look like? Summon couch. No such method. Enter couch, initialize. What? How's it? Oh, it's protected. Whoopsie. Why was it protected? Do you have merch like Unspeakable Gaming and Moosecraft? I don't have merch, but I want to. And I've got designs. But like, I'm still not happy with... I need like a proper service that does it. But like, I just don't know. Like, it's like, do I do it myself or do I just get somebody else to do it? Are you friends with Unspeakable? I am not friends with Unspeakable, unfortunately. We should be. No, he lives in completely different country. You should make a merch mod for Minecraft. Whoa! Yo. Why is it coming up as a missing item? Oh, you're making me wanna talk, right? Oh, I think I know why. It's because the couches from this mod aren't. From the mod aren't. There we go. Holy shoot, that is big. That is one big vehicle right there. There we go, it's a bit better. Still kind of big. Is that bigger than the normal one? Yeah, that's definitely bigger. What's scaling it? There's nothing scaling it. Maybe it is the same size actually. Oh yeah, it is. It just looked awkward like that. It looks bigger there, but it's not. It's really not. The majestic couch vehicle. Yeah, we need to fix it up, guys. What does it need? It needs rotation. Oh, let's go ahead back into this view. Let's go that. Whoopsie, nope. Go that. Alright, I'm gonna rotate this off camera. Guess it doesn't really matter. There we go. So that's rotated. What's this? Ah. How does this work? It was like a render in render June, but yeah, it did something. Oh, oh. How much further? One more pixel. Ah, it needs to be like We need to change it to the wheels around. I think it's just wheel. Oh my god. Hold on, let me go ahead, render couch. There we go, lads. There we go. We did it. Oh, I gotta fix up some rendering issues, but the couch does look bigger. Is that me or is that you? Oh, let's have a look. It's like not, but it is. I guess it's not. It just needs... I think it just needs translation fixes. So if we got rid of that, that'd make it more center. The thing is, we have that translation because it's kind of awkward with the turning. Well, that's better. And then we need to fix up the offset. Whoop, too high. Oh, you know what we could do? We could utilize obfuscate to actually create a better render. I'm out of here. See you later. Oh, we need to get rid of that thing. I'm out of here. See you later, amigos. Best vehicle added to the mod so far, Cray. Drift. How long until the stream is finished? I don't know. What do you guys think? Rate it out of 10 right now. Rate it out of 10 right now, my dudes. $20 out of 10. Guys, I'm sorry I snapped the like button too hard. I'm really sorry. Jeez! Share the like button around, dude. Share it around. If you're gonna break it, other people aren't gonna be able to like the video. Nah, I like it. Legit best vehicle ever. What do we need to fix about it? Oh yeah, we wanted to create a custom obfuscate render. Alright. Too easy. Let me go ahead, turn the sounds down. Because what we need to do is adjust it. You need to fix the height. It's too low to the ground. How is it too low to the ground? Is fine. The wheels are inside the flipping ground. They're not like any lower than the ATV. It's because we're in sand. You guys never driven in sand before? But you know that's how the ATV wheels are, I'm pretty sure. Look at them. Look, they're in the ground too. It looks better if they're in the ground, to be honest. If they're like floating above, it kind of looks weird. Because it kind of feels like it's actually driving on the ground. $12 crayfishes out of 10. That's pretty good because crayfishes are expensive. Alright, I'm facing a problem here where I've made awkward code. We should really have like a separate thing where it reaches out to somewhere else for this. Alright, now we can change these around. Alright, hold on, let me go back to here. 90? Is that the right one? Yep. Let's do like 20 instead. Hup. Nope. 15. Hup. Why are they like crooked? You guys see that? They're like crooked. Guess that's not too much of a problem. Let's lower this. Let's lower Alex right here. Lowering Alex. Is that sitting down now or still floating? Floating very slightly. Make it so it can be adjustable? What do you mean? I need to fix the furniture mod and make it so it adds in all the different types of couches straight off the bat, because right now the couches are only like available once they're placed down. What does it say? Block say make it so like up and down. Why? Nice mod developing, dude. Cheers. But what vehicle is it going to be? It's the couch vehicle. What do you think? Look at it. I'm thinking of adding a metadata item for those types of blocks. You could do. Also, apparently there was a really bad bug in my mod where it wasn't a bad bug, but apparently present recipes are completely broken. Where are they? Presents. Yo. Where the heck is a present? What the? Gone, not registered. It wasn't me. Who got rid of it? Who got rid of it? How is it not in this version? Okay, it's definitely there. Okay, it is. It's just not in the creative. Also, that ordering there is a little bit weird.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way. I will not surrender.
I don't know how the craft... I forgot what the crafting recipe was for it. Forgot what it was. Pretty sure it's not this. I thought it was like setting the color after it. Hashtag broken. Alright, so we've fixed that render up. Let's go ahead and change the arm positions. It needs like some handles of some sort. I feels. Yep, I added it, guys. The best vehicle. You know the funny thing is like you can almost change this out to whatever block you want, to be honest. What block should we change it to just for fun? Anybody got any ideas of what block we should change it to? Or item, sorry. I should say item, but we can do any sort of item we want. It can be a block too, don't worry. What vehicle should it be? What block should it be, guys? Glass? Rave couch? I don't think the rave couch is an item. Oh no, yeah it does, hold up. Rave... No, rave couch doesn't have an item. It should have an item, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Oh no, give. Oh no, it's a Jeb. Pretty sure it's couch. Jeb. Yeah, there we go. Should we change it to a rave couch? Uh-oh. I know it won't work. Dang it. Oh no, hold it. Yeah, we'll hold up. Ask it to adjust it. Let's see this one or this one. There we go. Meep, meep, meep. What would be your response if I requested you made this mod available for 1.10.2? No. I don't know. I don't really backport to mods, old versions anymore, because no one plays 1.10.2. I know you're an exception, but like literally nobody plays it. A lack of mods for 1.12. Dude, there are so many mods for 1.12 now. There are so many mods for 1.12. There is not a lack of mods for 1.12. I think it took me like, a month or two to get updated. But then after that I was like, yeah, I'll make the switch. My skills to make mods for 1.12, they don't exist. Learn how to update. I'm not backporting this to 1.10. But I might. We'll see. Should we just make it the rave couch, guys? Should we just make it the rave couch only? What do you guys think? Or should we hold the color couches? The only problem is that in the furniture mod, the couches, there's no such item. You can't get all the items, right? You can't get like a green couch as an item. So I should probably fix that up. The only way we could do it is like, yeah, I don't know. Maybe potentially getting the, I don't know how it works. It would be rendering like a block state with the different colors. But it's not, the way that it works doesn't work properly. I think we should just have the rave couch. What do you guys think? Should we just have the rave couch as the main vehicle? I know, I want to make like a, oh, I do want to make like a two-person one. I think that would be sick. What do you guys think? Like a two-person one that two people can ride on. That'd be kind of funny. But that means like I would have to change it up completely, which is annoying. But I can do it. It's just the thing is I'm actually able to use the assets from the furniture mod without having to create anything. Let's just try, let's try a different block. So what I'm gonna do is actually change that into entity, just entity vehicle, plain entity vehicle. So I'm just gonna reload the game here. My family has 2 love seat recliners. We hit 30 likes. If you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, go ahead, snap that like button right now. And if you want to get a shout out as well, make sure you go over to my Twitter. Regulars, you know what to do. But people that are new around here, go retweet if you want to get a shout out at the end of this live stream to show your support for these live streams. Like button smacked. That's what I like to hear, my dude. Just stretching. Ugh. You should add a type of joystick on the right side of the couch. That's not a bad idea actually, Smiley Man. I like your thinking. Because that kind of makes sense in a way. Kind of makes sense in a way if there's like a joystick, and we can definitely move his arm depending on the direction of the turn. My god. Someone's gonna be like, what is that? What is that? Hi, just got back from a soccer game. What's up? Did you win? So funny. Weep, weep, weep. See you later, peeps. Legendary vehicle right here. Legendary. I don't know how I'm going to make it craft though. That's the thing. How would you craft this vehicle? I don't know. We'll have to figure that out once we get to crafting recipes. Because I do have an idea for how crafting recipes are going to work. Because if you guys don't know, pretty much everything in this mod is actually an item already. So the wheels are an item. The body of the ATV is an item. The handlebars are an item. Same with this. Wheels are an item. The body is an item. The front bit of this is an item. The wheels are an item. So it's like possible to actually do like a kind of like a construction animation type thing with this. RIP sponsor Jackson Plays. Didn't even see your name, dude. I did not even see your name because your sponsor's gone. Rest in peace. Do it much like Tinker's Construct? What do you mean by that? Basically what I want to do, what my idea was, is there's going to be like a construction block. There's going to be a construction block, right? And then to start the construction, you place the body. You place the body of the vehicle onto it, and then you can start adding the remaining parts. So like, you'll be able to add the engine, the wheels, the handlebars, and so on. Look at that, to our collection, dudes. The vehicle mod is coming along so well. Hui. Hui. What's your guys' favorite vehicle now? What's your guys' favorite vehicle? Let me know in the comment section or the chat right now. I don't know, I think my favorite vehicle would still have to be this Lamborghini in the middle, to be honest. It'd still have to be one of my favorite. I do like the rave couch just because it's silly. It's silly. Only thing I could think would be to make this a little bit smaller. Have this a little bit smaller, because it just looks really big. And if we made it smaller as well, it would just kind of fit the body a little bit better. But I don't know, because this is just this is the normal block size of it. The rave couch is beautiful. The Lamborghini, the invisible track. I like the invisible vehicle, the one back there. I think we should just have like a, you know what'd be hilarious? Is just have like a steering wheel and that's it. Should we do that, guys? Just have a steering wheel? We should just have a steering wheel and that's it. That's it for one of the vehicles. And it's like an invisible vehicle too. But I'm glad we actually got this done. Like, it was a pretty easy thing to do, to be honest, to get this implemented. But, you know, I wanted to get it done. Damn, that's a beast. An actual beast right there, my dudes. Invisible Lamborghini. You should make invisible boatmobile. Invisible motorcycle. You wouldn't even know what it is. It could be anything. But we definitely need more silly vehicles. So if you guys have ideas for silly vehicles, do let me know. I'll read out what we've got so far. Just because it might help you guys filter out your ideas that you've got already. So we have golf cart, Segway, go-kart, shopping cart. I've already done that one. Let's go ahead and actually cross that out. Jet ski, dirt bike, pizza scooter, drivable couch. We've got that one already. Let's format that. Strike it out. Pig car, bumper car, a toilet vehicle. Like, we could add the toilet as like a vehicle, to be honest. No, I don't think it would work that well. What's another thing from the mod that could be... I don't know, I don't think there's anything else that could be really used as a vehicle, to be honest. The diving board. Make that a vehicle. The bath. The bath. Make the bath a vehicle. We could do that. Have like an exclusive furniture mod vehicles. I've also got this entity, which is kind of already nice. Should we add like a bath vehicle? What happens if we do, what is actual that? Bath bottom. We can just create a bunch of these, to be honest. Summon. Yeah, some slight glitches, but yeah. Oh my god. We could make it so you could create custom vehicles. You know, we could actually do that so you could create custom vehicles. Like, you could do any block you want. Or any item, I should say. Yeetmobile! They see me rolling. I'm bathing. We need a Yeetmobile. Yeet! Add a van? Oh my god. All we need is one more sub, what? Ain't nobody subscribing to you. A creepy van. Free candy. Free candy, nothing sus. What block should we do next? Do the bath, add it. So that's an idea. I don't know, I don't think there's any other pieces of furniture that could really be a vehicle. The bath makes sense, the couch makes sense. Chairs make sense because you can sit on them, but everything else is kind of out of the picture. Bed. The bed vehicle. Should we have a bed vehicle, guys? That'd be a little bit legendary. You think? That'd be legendary. The couch vehicle. The bed vehicle. What happens if we do that? What's it called? Minecraft. I know we're doing it like this, but it's fine. Bed. Alright, let's give it a shot, boys. And girls. Alright. So we can change this to whatever we like. Oh no, we can't. The bed vehicle. I think if we do like a bed vehicle, you gotta be like laying down. To be honest. You've gotta be laying down. You're gonna be like laying down and asleep. Oh. The bed vehicle. Crayfish, I need this in my life. Please add it. Is that a white bed? It is. Huh. Oops. Well, there goes that. The bed vehicle. We're adding in new vehicles in 2 seconds here. We're literally adding in new vehicles in 2 seconds here. I did it. Haters gonna hate right now. Haters gonna hate. We're adding in literally every single type of vehicle right now. Toilet. Let's see what happens if we do it. The toilet vehicle. It's beautiful. What other vehicle could we do? Hey Crayfish, what about adding in an actual real vehicle? How about adding in a drivable toilet? Real vehicles. No. Silly vehicle. Pretty much what we're up to now. What can we do? Bed? We've already done bed. We just did bed. Yeah, there's nothing really else. It'd be interesting if we had other mods installed, because then we would do those, but... Uh-oh. 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 I've seen it, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. That's right. Ah! We did it. We did a campfire. We've reached the limits here, guys. We've reached the limit of a funny vehicle right now. We've reached the limit. You can't go any further than this. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Alright, so couch. Jeb. Alright, there we go. Your butt's on fire. Would you consider adding working dynamic lighting to them? No. So, alright. Let's reload the game here so we can get a fresh start on, you know, what the vehicle is supposed to be. Truck or tank? Jeez. Please update the vending machine mod. It needs fixes though. Alright. There we go. Alright, welcoming the rave couch to the family, my dudes. The rave couch. It's amazing. It's beautiful. I think if we're going to add in some sort of joystick, we're going to use a sausage. We're going to use a sausage to join it, to control it with. Or we go chopped log. Use the sausage to control the rave couch. A knife. Oh my god, hashtag Stephen Hawking's. Do a sync. Me. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that is it, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up this live stream here. So, God, it's been like 2 hours, I think. It's been 2 hours? Has it been 2 hours? When did I start? Yeah, it's been 2 hours. Pretty much. Oh yeah, doing apps. Oh yeah, I forgot to do that. Alright, let's do that. Alright, so that's enough for the vehicle mod development. Let's go ahead, let's check out these brand new applications. So let's go to run mods. Let's go ahead and delete that version. because there's a brand new version available. Alright, let's go ahead, let's get these going. Are you gonna send that new version? We're checking out some device mod applications right now, guys, just to show you guys what awesome stuff is happening in the community here. I'm gonna need that link. You haven't sent me yours, Ocelot. I know it's building. Well, I'm gonna check out. I want to load it up at the same time. So wait for a second here. This mod has quality physics. I tried many before, but since there's no real stuff about how about Cake Car. Oh my god. Cake Car would be insane. This mod has quality physics, yeah. Rip. What? Also, you should have done this before we got to this point. You should have got to this before we got to this point. You had 2 hours to get it ready. You had 2 hours. Had 2 hours to get it ready. Now you're delaying the live stream. Alright, looks like we're starting it up now. Alright, let's start this up. And let's check out GitWeb. If you guys don't know what GitWeb is basically a way to design the websites. Oh no, sorry, we're checking out GitWeb Builder. It's basically a way to create the websites, and it's gonna be like not a part of the official mod, but it's gonna be something you can download on the side of it to make websites easier to build. Alright. So here we go, GitWeb Builder. Ka-ching! Have a look at this, this is pretty cool. Has like a rendering of this globe here. This could be fixed up, I mean this could be smoother. I don't think they're using partial ticks in this. Plus they could also make it so it goes up to the actual edge here. And they could also render one underneath. That would be cool. It's a custom model. Oh. Yeah, render one, you should render the actual thing up to the edge and then have like something underneath it too. That'd be cool. Alright, so we have new site, load site, so that brings up that, which is pretty cool. I want to go ahead and test this out. Okay, so what's new about this? Save as, save, What I want to do there is actually fix that up, like fix this icon up, or add in an extra icon, because right now if we go to icons, here, you'll see that we have save, but we don't have a save as. And basically what a save as icon is this icon plus, you guys can't see it. Dang it. It's basically the pencil icon over here. So it's that one and the pencil icon. Have I got like a full screen? No, I don't. The save icon plus the pencil is like a save as icon, so I'll try and get something in the standard icon set so you guys can actually use it, because I seem to have forgotten about it. So let's go. Oh yeah, because Mastiff, does this have like the auto save? What you should do for user experience as well is like, for instance, for the save button here, only make it enabled when a change has been made. So people just can't spam it type thing. So only like, cause like you'll know that the saved file is like saved. Yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and hello. Let's go to text formatting view here. Did you fix up the bug with hello? Oh, you didn't fix it up. Nah. Rip. Can't stay long still at school, that's alright. I don't know what's causing it. I'll have a look at your code. I already know, yeah. I've got the code already. It works fine in IDE. Yes, I'll have a look at it. It shouldn't happen though. What is going on, my dudes? Percentage. What's the percentage for? What's the percentage for? It's something to do with the combination of, I don't know, yeah. When I do, oh, I see what's wrong. Huh. That's weird. I know, because it probably thought that this was a special character. So if I do something like 6, let's do like 9. The reason is used because S can't be used without it disappearing. Master Chief, just simply when you switch between these two, replace that section symbol with the and then, you know, other way around type thing. That's my guess. Do we have, oh yeah, we have formatting. Oh, cool. Bold? Let's have a look. Oh, this is cool. I like this. I like this. Cray, is there anywhere I can download this version? I really want it. So this is just the Git web builder. I don't know. It'll be released when it's released. Pretty sure. Hold up. Let me go open. Refresh. Okay, new window. I've got everything here. I've got everything here to build it. I might have to pull, but where is it? Pull. Well, I'm super tired and my kitty too. I'm gonna go to bed. See ya. Thanks for coming along, Vlad. After bugs and improvements are made, it will be released. Sounds good. Sounds good, my dude. Let's have a look what else we can do here. Cross out. Oh wow. Yeah, weird things are going on. Weird things are going on. Well, I didn't realize how like deep you could get with formatting. Wow. You can get pretty deep with it. Pretty deep. What version are you using? Oh. Just using the latest. Rest in pepperoni, you have to download the whole entire workspace. Does anyone knows what program he is using? What do you mean? I'm using IntelliJ IDE and the Forge mod development kit. There ain't no easy program to do this. You gotta learn programming. I'm packing up, Cray, going to Australia. Australia! Well, I'll see you here. Maybe not. Can I download your mod in Android? No. It's not for Android. PC only, my dude. Java edition only, I should say. So what happens if we go Henlo and click save? Rest in pepperonis. What you need, I'm not sure, you probably know about that bug already, but Masterfist, if there isn't like a saved file already, then you just run the save as when you press that. I mean, that's the behavior I would think. It's because I'm assuming, you know how we talked about current file? We talked about that current file thing, and if it's null. So if it's null, it means it hasn't been saved at all before. Or it's not like we didn't open up a project type thing. Whoops. Did I run that again? I do have it as no, it should open a save dialog. Okay. Well, the crash was, hold up. How do I see? FML client. Here we go. Device on window, open dialog. What type of null pointer exception? Apparently. Wrappable.set window this. Where is it coming from? Lambda initialize. I can see it here anyway. Initialize. How come that's not? Hold up. It's taking forever. Hold up. How come I can't stop this? There it is. Hold up. I'm just doing this so I can run it quicker. Hold on, that might not be the correct version. Yeah, it wasn't. Alright, let's do it again. I should already have everything set up. It shouldn't take 10 years to set the workspace up now. How much longer is the stream going to be? I don't know. Why does the things work in ID but not... Yeah, I downloaded the latest version, Mastiff. 100%. 100%. I deleted it and literally went back to Discord and downloaded the last one you sent me. Alright, there we go. Gen IntelliJ runs. It's so annoying that these don't just like by default just go to that. Let's take a look. Sorry, going through your code now. Rest in peace, dude. Rest in peace, dude. What was that issue? It was number this one or something. 295 apparently. Wait, what's going on here? Current file is always null. Huh. Save dialogue. Oh. You're not creating the save dialogue, you're opening a null dialogue. Null dialogue. So like here for save as, yeah. Is a null dialogue. Yeah, this is the only place it gets initialized, and that is when it's saving first. Pretty easy fix. Also, I wouldn't keep you don't need to keep an instance of the actual dialogue. So like what you could do here instead is, what's data come from? Let's have a look. Huh. Oh, you have different... Okay. So really, when you do this, this is just exactly the same as running this click listener here. So it'd be something like this. Also, this is just else. Because we've already checked. This is basically, if it's not null, otherwise it would always be null. Set response handler. Okay, yeah, that's to close it. Should probably fix that up. Alright, let's give it a run. See if that fixed it up. I'll make a separate save dialogue. What do you mean? Dialogues, you should only like don't keep an instance of the dialogue. Like if you want to have a dialogue, just do like this. Have like a actual just a local one like that. Where's that? Get rid of that. Same with the open. Don't need to keep an instance of that. I'll just get rid of it. Because we kind of want to discard. We like dialogues that like you don't want to keep an instance of a dialogue. Like there's no. It's kind of bad. Minecraft music, yeah, I'll turn that down. Cross station clan forever. Ocelot. Where's my build? Here it is. Alright, here we go, lads. I'm just gonna check if this fixed it. One thing I don't like in this code. One thing I don't like in this code is like this bit here. I don't like this bit here. I mean, it's being used throughout all this as well. I would suggest creating a method for that, such as create a method, a private method inside an application called get content, right? So you could literally you could clean this up and you could be like this.content. Mind you, if you're saving the file, oh no, these are the same. These are the same, don't worry. So yeah, you would want to do like something that's this.content equals, you know, you could do like this.get content. And then instead, like inside of here, let's just do, I don't know, just down the bottom or something like that. Oops, nope. Private or private string get content. Do something like this. Else return you do something like that, which is a little bit better. And then do like that. Also, this is not a good way to do this here. Very bad. Very bad. Should be doing equals. I'm sorry, I'm just going through all your code here and wait, what? Oh, missing a. We're missing something here. And then you can replace so much of those methods up here. You can just be like, ka-ching. Clean that up nicely. Look at that. Nice and beautiful now. Super duper clean. It's okay, I accept criticism. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, it's just interesting to see how, like, I don't know, it's always interesting to see how other people go about things. But yeah, definitely, yeah, like stuff like this again. Like that, and then just yeah. Alright, anyway, I'm not gonna spend all my time looking at this. I think I'm just gonna exit this one. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the last application, which was the Super Mario one. So get hyped for this, guys. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I haven't actually seen this in a while, so this will be interesting. 50 megabytes. Holy shoot, dude. What have you got in that that's so big? It must be the audio. Has to be the audio. No mod can be that big with that audio. What is music? Oh my god, yeah. Convert your music, dude. Convert your music. What format are you using? What format are you using? You're using OGG? OGG? What? Change to OGG, my dude. Get Audacity so you can export to it. Do not use Wave. It's too big. You can use OGG. Why can't you use OGG? Why can't you use OGG like all Minecraft does? Yes, they do. Create a custom sound thing. Look how I did look how I created my moving sound in my vehicle mod. Because what you need to do is you can't like you need to utilize actual an I sound instead of actually using a sound event. Look how I did my moving sound, because what you can do in that is you can automatically loop the sound once it's finished perfectly, and you don't have to do any sort of handling for it. It just knows when the thing ends, and actually, yeah, because WAV files are super duper bad. You need to use, yeah, basically you need to use an I sound. So I think it's like, there's like positioned sound, I think. Let's have a look at moving sound. Yeah, look at like, I mean, you probably want to be using positioned sound, because you can basically play these sounds client-side only, and then you can stop them as well. I'm pretty sure there's a way to stop it. Oh no, you have to handle that in the update method, but it's pretty easy. I'm assuming this is abstract. Yeah, there should be an update method. Where is it? Is it moving sound? Where's... Where's this update? Is it moving sound? Tickable sound? I tick. Oh. Okay. Well, yeah, there is a is done playing. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you might have to create your own custom sound class that implements update or something like that, so you can actually stop the sound. There might be other ways to do it, but then how do you play? You need to do minecraft.getSoundSystem.play or something like that. It's like sound system play or whatever, I don't know. I forgot what it was. It's one of those. Just look out my vehicle mod. Alright, here we go. Alright, hold up. Mod options, config, sound. Let's turn these off just in case. Does it need restart? Alright, there we go. That's the application. What is it? GeoScissor, what did he do? What's wrong? No such method error. GeoScissor. Oh, potentially the version that he's using doesn't support this version of the device mod because I changed around some things. Was it util geo helper scissor? Huh. Yeah, no, I changed around things now. I changed around things now because it's push and pop scissor. Rest in pepperonis. Yeah, I changed around things because I need to support scrollable components, and it implemented a new scissor system, and yeah, hey, I should probably get rid of that. Why are we doing that? I don't know why we were doing that at all. I have the ID working if you want to show it off. Yeah, send me it, Alex. Do the thing we can chat this weekend? Do you think we can chat this weekend? Yeah, we probably can. Let's go overtime live stream. I won't be awake. Doe. This is a super duper long live stream. I'll probably have to end this off soon. Super duper long live stream. Dude, I hate Facebook. I actually hate Facebook now, I'm not gonna lie. It annoys me. It annoys me. Well, there we go, it crashed. Alright, that's going to end off this live stream today. Thank you guys for coming along. I'm going to go ahead and do some Twitter shoutouts. Who's messaging me? Hey. Go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts. Alright, we got a ton of people retweeted. Appreciate you guys. We got a big shout out to Ryan Ross, Ocelot, Lister, Zapanta, J Splat, Minecraft Doodler, Master Chief, Austin Kelly, Haunted Corpse, Journey Gaming, 12 or 12. Dank Gaming 23. Holy shoot. Builderboy426, Zoram Yeah, and Donovan Wood. Thank you guys so much for your support there over on Twitter by retweeting the stream. And yeah, I'll be live streaming tomorrow, don't you guys worry. You guys go ahead, get those apps fixed up. And yeah, I'll probably check them out tomorrow again once they're all fixed. But that's it. Catch you guys later. Thanks for coming along. Snap that like button if you haven't already. And I will catch you dudes later on. See you later. Peace out.